Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide apps on home screen and app drawer in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to hide your apps from your home screen and also from your app drawer, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings app, just go to settings. Now once you are in settings, just scroll down and look for home screen. Select home screen from here. Now further scroll down and you may see the option of hide apps from home screen. Just select this, and from here you just have to select the apps you want to hide. So let's say I'm gonna hide my Chrome, Play Store, Messages, Photos, Meet, Email, and YouTube. Now once you have done, just select done option, and after that, now here you will not be able to find your hidden apps on your home screen and also in your app screen. So in this way, you can easily hide apps on your home screen. Now if you want to unhide them, just go to settings again, and in your hide apps on home and app screen, select this again, and just click on this minus icon over your icons of your hidden apps, and your hidden apps will be unhide. Now you can easily access them on your home screen and also in your app screen. So in this way, you can easily hide or unhide apps in your Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.